Hi everyone, Raul here today. My message for you today is unleash yourself from the past. Yesterday, when I was trying to share this beautiful medicine with another person, it didn't go the way I wanted. It didn't have the effect that I know that is possible within them. And I was so stuck on this because I obviously want others to feel this sense of peace and calmness and growth in their life that I am having. And I was stuck on this. I was stuck on the mistakes that I made. But if you unleash yourself from the past and let it go and not let it hold you back, then you can truly start moving forward. Learn from the past. Learn from the mistakes that you've made. The past can be a beautiful thing if we look at it in a positive way. But we can't let it hold us back from the person that we're meant to become. I finally understood this today. Actually, this moment of the past came to me, or this realization of letting it go and unleashing it came to me as I was doing my breathing, because I actually came up with different words that I thought were more powerful and would have a more powerful effect on you. And then I forgot these words and I almost gave up. I almost said to myself, I'm not going to shoot this video today because it's not meant to be. But then I wouldn't have recognized and accepted this truth of unleashing myself from the past. So I stuck with it. I stuck with myself in the present moment and allowed myself to figure out a different way and different words. And unleashing yourself means don't be stuck in the past. Don't let that pull you back into the mistakes you made, to the person you were, to all the negativity that you used to live in. If you focus on the present, then you can focus on your growth and you can focus on becoming better. And if you focus on becoming better, then you've truly unleashed yourself from the past. Wishing you all amazing mental health, sending you light and love, and wishing you all an amazing day. Us.